Hi everybody and welcome to WRTC 351 Visual Rhetoric Online. My name is Pavel Zemlyansky and I will be your instructor for this course, and in this video I would like to explain to you what to expect from this course as an online class, but also what to expect from it in terms of content for visual rhetoric. Those of you who have never taken an online class before may be wondering what the differences are between a face-to-face course and an online one. And there are some similarities, like following deadlines, completing assignments, talking to your classmates and whatnot. But there are also some very significant differences, and the main difference and the main challenge for us as a group would be to establish a sense of community, a sense of belonging, a sense that you are a part of the group rather than just someone marooned in cyberspace for 6 weeks by yourself. And so I'd like you to work really hard, and I will work really hard myself to establish that sense of community, that sense of group, where we can communicate with one another, interact with one another, and contribute to the class conversation. One thing that makes online classes successful and special and effective and memorable is if all members of the class, the students, the instructor, frequently and regularly and meaningfully communicate with one another and talk to one another. So this will be our main challenge, our first challenge. Content-wise, the class is spread out over 6 weeks, as you know, and it's split up into 3 learning modules, each module lasting 2 weeks. The first learning module I call the Foundations and Manifestations of Visual Rhetoric. It's very front-loaded with readings. We'll be reading a lot from our course text, Defining Visual Rhetorics, and other readings as well. And we will be posting responses to those readings on the discussion forums on the class website. The purpose of the first learning module is to give us enough theoretical information, enough theoretical ideas, enough background knowledge to create our own visual and visual verbal texts later in the semester. The second learning module, which will last during weeks 3 and 4 of the class, during that module we will begin working on the first of the 2 visual projects for the class. And the first visual project will be a photo essay with captions. Now, I would like you to see this project and the second project and the third learning module, which I will describe shortly, as connected with one another and as 2 halves of one whole. And I write about that on the class website. You can check it out in the learning modules page and find out more about that. But anyway, the third learning module, which will be during the last 2 weeks of the class, the main project for that module will be to create a short video. As far as the topic of the video, the approach of the video, again, check out the website and see what I'm proposing there. So essentially you're looking at 3 different distinct modules. The first one is a theoretical module, full of readings, full of discussions. The second one is a photo essay, and the third one is a video project with a brief introductory essay attached to it. So as you can see, because the course is called Visual Rhetoric, we'll be doing a lot of visual works. I will be asking you to take pictures. I will be asking you to shoot some video. So be ready for that, and I hope you have fun doing that. Again, it's very important that we talk to one another a lot during this class regularly. So please let me know if you have any questions, any concerns, and if anything's not quite clear on the website, let me know, and we'll try to resolve those problems as fast as possible. I do not expect you to live online during this next 6 weeks. I do not expect you to be on the class website all the time. But I have created a structure which is very predictable and very similar to a face-to-face course, where things will be due 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And the deadline for each assignment is midnight of that day, at the end of the day. So if you work during the day, if you have other things going on during the day, you'll still have that evening to complete the assignment. This is it pretty much. Check out the screencast introducing you to the class website right next to this video, and post any questions that you may have at this point on the forum, in the FAQ forum that I created in the forum section of the site. I very much look forward to working with you. This is an exciting subject matter, this is an exciting class, and I think we can get a lot of really exciting work done during the next 6 weeks. Thank you very much and have a great class. I'm excited to have you with me. Bye-bye.